Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to quickly change the background of an image in Adobe Photoshop CC. First of all, we need to select this image model from the background. We will use quick selection tool. Click on here, then select quick selection tool and go to the brush size. Make sure brush size is not too small or too big. Adjust the brush size. Then make sure hardness is set to 0 or 1%. I'm using 0%. Then click anywhere to hide these brush settings. Then now drag onto the paint onto the image, I mean the model, to select. Okay, this way. Now select the rest of the image. Okay, just now let's select the left portion of the dog. Okay, but here we have selected some background here between the leg and the dog's part, so we need to remove this. Let's zoom a little bit. Control plus will zoom in. Then using the space bar, let's move around the image. Now this is the portion which we want to subtract from this selection. You can use this add subtract from selection. Then now decrease the brush size using the shortcut. Left third bracket will decrease the brush size. Then drag it. Okay, then again click on. Now let's zoom back. Zoom out the image first. I think let's zoom a bit, and then here, as you can see, some portion is still selected. Let's subtract this from the selection as well. Now decrease the brush size using the third bracket, then just subtract it here. Okay, let's zoom out using the control minus. Now it's pretty much. So then next is click on this refine edge. If you don't find here, you can also find refine edge by going to select menu, then refine edge. Now we have a pretty good selection. You can adjust the smooth, then feather and contrast. I'm not using, as the selection is already pretty good. Then output to selection. Okay, click on this and click on OK. Then add a layer mask. Click on add a mask. Now then click on this adjustment layer, then select the solid color. Now you can use any color here to set the background of the image. I'm using the white one. Click on OK. Now bring down this color fill just below layer 0. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice white background. You can also change the background to any other solid color by just clicking, double click on this icon, then you can just change the background color. Okay, then click on OK. You get the idea. And you can also make any image as a background of this image. So click on file, then place embedded. Now let's use this abstract bubble as a background of the image. Click on place. Then let's drag it to fill the entire image. The resize the image. Then click on this commit button. This way you can make any image as a background of this current image. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future such new videos.